probiotic. Gotta say the word right. Favorite probiotic. It's a tongue twister. So my smile's too much because I'm gonna get it. Next one. Next round. Mother of pearl, I can't remember. I love this. That there's a train going by. Said that like super elaborate with my shoulders. I gotta get some lemon juice. This is not a lemon, this is a lime. Is that the heel? Use this part of your hand. Push down, it helps release the juices of the lime. Always feel so successful when I get a lot of juice out of a lemon or a lime. That one was a good one. I'm like, you're an excellent lime picker. So if you don't want pieces of your, if you don't, apparently it doesn't want to go on there. So that's not an option. So you can just make it a garnish. That's gonna have to do.